Okay, here we go. This is the final session of SOC 210 for your semester. I hope that you are excited to get started and wrap up a wonderful semester. I want to very clearly explain to you the deadline for session 14. The deadline is Monday, December the 12th, no later than 11:55 p.m. The 11:55 p.m. stroke of the clock on Monday, December the 12th will complete this course. I must have grades in pretty quickly the following day. Therefore, there will be nothing accepted after that deadline. So I want to stress to you how important it is to work on this final project early, ask questions as soon as you have them, and submit well before the deadline. Remember, I have a 24-hour response time window to reply to emails. So if you wait until Monday to start working and have a question, then that does not give me the 24-hour response time that I am awarded in order to answer your question and for you to finish the assignment and get it submitted on time. So make sure that you go ahead and get started working quickly. To begin, we are going to talk about the topic that you are going to pursue for this particular project. You'll see the final project topic assignment link in Moodle. When you click on that, you will see something that looks similar to this. This is a sample. You are going to look for your first initial and last initial and the last 3 digits of your Nash Community College student ID number in order to identify your project topic. Every student has a different project topic, and you have to do the one that is assigned to you. So it is very important that you pay very close attention to your identifying markers on this document. This is in alphabetical order by your last name. So look for your last initial first, then look for your first initial, then look for the last 3 digits. We do have some students that have the same first and last initial. Don't get confused. Make sure you're verifying the last 3 digits of your Nash Community College student ID as well. And remember, those 3 numbers are in your email address. So once you have determined your particular project, where you are on the particular document here, you will figure out what your topic is. Each one of these topics has in parentheses the chapter in the book where you can obtain a little bit of information about your topic. So that would be a good place to go and kind of read through. Now, when we are sure we know what our topic is, we're going to access the final project presentation directions. I'm going to very carefully go over those with you today. We are going to take the topic that you have been assigned and you are going to research that topic. You are searching for additional knowledge and background on that topic, and you are going to focus on becoming more culturally aware of that subject. This presentation does have a global thread, and so what you will see is all of the topics are outside of the United States. We are going global. We are learning about other cultures, and we are relating that back to sociological topics. You are going to produce and submit 2 things for this final project. One of those is going to be a Google Slides presentation, and the other is going to be a recording of you talking to the camera about what you have learned. So your Google Slides presentation must include the items listed here on the screen. You must have a topic slide. You must have a slide or slides that discuss the sociological relevance of your topic. So what you're going to do here is you're going to pull out sociological terms that we have worked through, learned about, utilized this semester, and how it relates to the topic. If you are struggling with that, the chapter that you are told about on the topic assignment page would be a really great place to get started. Another slide or slides is going to explain the country or the countries where that particular topic occurs around the world. And you're going to give us information, background knowledge about that particular topic as needed. So is there a historical reason for that particular happening? Is there lots of cultural things that we need to understand in order to understand your topic better? Or does that topic occur because of some sort of political reason, some sort of religious reason? So that's going to kind of be some slides where we get the background information of the country or the countries and why that item takes place there. Another slide or slides is going to look at your particular occurrence and explain the different perspectives around that topic. Why does it occur? What does that signify? Is it controversial around the world or just in that country? Does that whole country believe it's right and the rest of the world thinks it's different? Is it counterintuitive to today's society? Does it fit in with today's society? What are reasons people agree or disagree with it? What are some things about that particular topic or occurrence that provides perspective for people? Then you're going to have a slide or slides that have some sort of personal reflection. So for you, recap for me what you gained, what you learned. Maybe it opened your eyes to a new way of thinking. Maybe you're just in utter shock that this topic or this occurrence is still occurring in our global society. Maybe you've learned a lot about a different type of group or people or religion or country that you didn't know before. And finally, you must provide a works-cited slide or slides with all the resources that you use to create this presentation. When I get to that point in your presentation, every single link that you provide for me should work and it should take me to the resource. So yes, you can utilize your book and read your book for some background information. However, you are going to need to find some other additional pieces of research. If you have taken or are taking any English courses at Nash Community College, you may be very familiar with NC Live. That would be a fantastic resource. Our library also has some other resources that are focused on global and cultures around the world. So if you have an opportunity to explore those or stop in at the library to chit-chat with one of the librarians about additional ways to find research, that would be fantastic as well. Additionally, once you have created your PowerPoint presentation, your Google Slides presentation, this must be a Google Slides presentation. So I'm going to scroll back up to the top. It actually says Google Slides presentation must include. So because Moodle does not readily read some other presentation type products, I am requiring this to be Google Slides. So when you have finished the presentation, go back through and make sure that you have checked all these boxes here under additional aspects required. Your slides should not be just text. Okay, you are not writing paragraphs, you are not writing essays and putting them on Google Slides. You are using bullet points, short statements. You can, and I encourage you to use images that relate. So if you are doing a study of a particular type of people in a different country, pulling images of those people and incorporating it into your project would be fantastic. It gives something for us to relate to. Make sure that you have used proper grammar and you have proofread your work. Once you are finished with your presentation, you will turn that in Moodle under this link, Final Project Google Slides Presentation. So that is essentially part 1 of your final project. The second item that you're going to complete is a voice thread. So that is essentially a video that you are going to record of yourself talking to me, giving me information about your presentation. Now, I will already have access to your presentation. So all you're going to do in this video is have your face in the camera talking to me. I can see and click through your presentation as needed. You are going to show me some professionalism in this video, and you are not going to just read off for me what's in your presentation. Again, I will already have your presentation, so I don't need you to read me what you have. I simply need you to talk to me about what you have learned. Your video is going to be a summary, a reflection of what you learned and gained through this research on this particular global topic. You are going to use VoiceThread to do this, and I have directions there for you. The directions are accessible for you as well. This will walk you right through what to do. This, I will tell you, is something that I need you to do sooner rather than later. Because if there is any sort of technical glitch, a camera, a microphone issue, we need to know that very quickly. You will click on this final project summary reflection video recording link, and then you will follow the directions here in the VoiceThread video directions link. Please know that Nash Community College has a digital teaching and learning lab. It is located in Building D in the same area as our English studio. We have paid staff that work in that lab, and they can help you with these particular projects. So if you're unsure how to do this, or you would feel more comfortable completing this project with someone sitting beside of you and helping you do the clicking and following the directions for the video recording, please take advantage of the Digital Teaching and Learning Lab. If you need more information on that, please send me an email and I'll be happy to give you some more additional information. All right, don't delay. Start today working on completing your final project. Again, let me stress, this course ends promptly at 11:55 p.m. on Monday, December the 12th. Every item needs to be submitted prior to 11:55 p.m. Under no circumstance is any late work accepted after the 11:55 p.m. stroke on the clock on Monday, December the 12th. And I apologize for that hard and fast deadline. However, it is the end of the semester, and my supervisor and my supervisor's supervisor expect me to meet a deadline with final grades. Therefore, I have to hold you accountable as well. Please make sure that you review this information quickly and let me know if you have any questions.